Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you new to Airbnb and wondering how to receive your earnings? Setting up your payout method is essential to ensure you get paid quickly and securely. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up payouts using the Airbnb app, so you can start hosting with confidence. First, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Payments and Payouts from the menu options. Here, choose Payout Methods. Then, tap Set up Payouts. Airbnb will ask you to select your country. Once you choose, your country from List the app will display available payout options like direct bank transfer, PayPal, or Payoneer. Select your preferred method. Here choose Name your account in Airbnb. Carefully enter all requested banking or account information. After entering the information, follow any additional verification steps. Once verified, your earnings will automatically be sent to this account after each completed reservation. And that's it. Setting up your payout method on Airbnb is simple and quick. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tips on this channel.